friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are looking into some of the important functions that are available in Python's datetime library. Okay, so we have been discussing datetime library from past few days. Now probably this will be the last video on datetime, right? So if you didn't watch the previous videos also, please do watch. They are available in the separate playlist of Python in my channel, right? So first let us let me import the file. Okay, so let me open the file first. So date and time, this we will use for operating with dates and times in different time zones. Okay, so how to do all those things that I have explained now today. So let us start with import date time. Now let us see what could be the, for example, if I say x equal to date time dot date. Already I have explained about the date class in the previous video. If you haven't watched yet, please watch that video. Now here date dot minimum, this gives like minimum year of this. Okay, similarly I will say date time dot date dot maximum. So this will give like minimum date and starting date and ending date in this calendar. Sorry, I didn't written print commands here, so I'll say print x, then I have to write a print y. Okay, now x is giving the minimum date and y is giving the maximum date. So x, let us see, so x is 111 and y is 3112 9999. So like Python date and time module covers the times from starting from year 1 till 9999, whereas right now at 2023. Okay, right, now let us go back here. So now let us see what could be the resolution also. So z equal to date time dot date. Okay, let me say dot resolution. Okay, so means what could be the difference that we get. So let me say, if I say print z, let me run this once again. If I run this, now you see here, yeah, so the resolution is 1 day. So means this Python datetime library takes 1 day, 1 day as the resolution, 1 day as the time step. Okay, if you want to between means from day to day, so every day there will be 24 hours difference, and again if you want to go to month, like that. So okay, it is calculating depending upon the resolution value of 1 day. So that is what you have to understand here. Then for example, I can check which week is this, and also like what is the weekday of current date. Okay, so I want to check the week number and also the current day. For example, let me define a date. So I want to find out info of the day. So I'll create a variable as info. So info equal to date time dot date. So let me define a date. So let me have it today. For example, it is 2023 and 11, month is 11 and date is 3. Now dot ISO week. Okay, I'll use ISO, I'll say calendar. Okay, ISO calendar. Okay, so when I use this, if I use this, now let me print. So what is the info, what is the information that I'm getting from this date? So here I define today's date, then I want to check as per the ISO calendar what could be the information that gives us. Okay, so if I execute this, now you see here it is the year 2023. Of course that is clear for us. Now it is the week 44. Right now we are in November 3rd is today's date. So now that is the week number 44 and weekday is 5. So weekday is 5 means 0 is from Monday. So Monday is 0, then Tuesday is 1, okay, Wednesday is 2, like this. Okay, so you have to keep on counting it. So because week starts from Monday and it will end on Sunday. So weekday is 5. So today it is a Friday. So that is what actually. So tomorrow it is a Saturday and it will be indicate with a 6. So means we can get the information about the week, at which week we are, then also the weekday also. So which day it is, this also we can get it. Similarly, we want to print in calendar format. So that also we can do. For example, so info, let me say okay, info p, I will write info print. So for this is date time dot date. Now once again let me take 2023, today's date only, 11 comma 3. Now dot ISO format format. So I want to get in the ISO format. Now I will say print infop info p. Now run it. So if I run this, then what I get is, sorry, date time has, sorry, I made a mistake here. I made a mistake, spelling mistake it is. So it is ISO, not SIO, it is ISO. Let me run it. If I execute it, now, yeah, so it is printing in the year, month, date format. Okay, if you want to get the date to be printed in the year, month, then you can use ISO print format. So like this, we can get, if you want to get the information about the current week and present day, which day you want to find out at a time, so use ISO calendar. If you want to print the date which is imported in any other formats, and you want to print in the regular way like year, month and date format, you have to use ISO format. So then you can find out the resolution. So these are some of the common functions that are available in Python's datetime library, which consists of a date class and a time class and datetime class. If you want to know more about this date class, time class and datetime class, please watch my previous video. Thank you guys.